All right, ladies and gentlemen, what we're going to do here is going to make a couple $1,000 in the next 15 minutes. We're going to take a trade on the Euro USD. All right. Euro USD. We'll place about $3,000 trades on there. And I'll show you exactly why I'm taking these trades in just a moment. Okay, so I placed 3 trades for the Euro USD to be coming to the downwards direction due to the fact that here we are in the overbought territory. As you see, we've been in the overbought territory for quite some time, probably about the last 30 minutes or so, and we see the stochastic in the overbought drop down below the overbought, then spike back up, and then begin to carry on down the reverse the downtrend. So with that being said, we took a sell position for 15 minutes on the Euro USD. Here's our position. We just won a few trades. If you see here, I've been striking pretty well today. Let's go here to see our open trades, and that's what we have right now open. $5,000 in 15 minutes. I'll let this go ahead and run. You guys can watch along, and ladies and gentlemen, that's exactly how you make $5,000 in 15 minutes. All right, so we'll let this play out. All right. All right, we'll come back to the trade, but I'll go ahead and just briefly break down some more of why I took that trade. Let's go to the 5-minute chart. We'll see the 5-minute chart. You see we are coming down out of the overbought position. You can clearly see a trend here. High, low, high, low is the pattern that we're looking for. Low, high, lower low, lower high. Now, as you see, we have a triangle pattern. Again, just to give you an update on the trade, there we go. I'll go ahead and make this bigger so I can. This is our life of our trade. The life of our trade is all green, you know what I'm saying? When you practice patience and use the strategy, which there are several different strategies, so you just got to find one that works for you, and hopefully, you guys are able to follow along with me as I break down these particular trade setups. Go around and see if I can find another trade that we could potentially get into while we're waiting for that current trade to expire. Take a look at some more here. All right, I do see one. We'll be able to take on the Euro Aussie. Okay, so we'll do this one for 8:30, and I'll show you exactly why in just a moment. Not too much. All right. Now, I did just take the Euro Aussie trade. Now you see this trade actually went immediately into profit as soon as I opened it. You see it dropped down as soon as I entered that trade. But this particular trade here on the Euro Aussie is right here. Now, of course, I took this trade because, again, we have a resistance area. We're in the overbought and we're dwindling down. All right, guys, now I do want to remind you, this particular Euro Aussie trade that we're in that is currently out of the profit doesn't close until 1:30. So these actually close in the next minute. This one still has 15 minutes to go. So I'm not too worried about that trade being out of the money right now, because where it ends is ultimately all that matters. All right, so we got about 30 seconds in this particular trade. The ones that we are in profit on the Euro USD close out in 15 seconds. All right, ladies and gentlemen, those 3 trades currently expired in the money. That is exactly how you make $5,000 in less than 15 minutes using the binary options in the currency market. Now, we still have this current trade in. It still has about 15 minutes exactly before it expires out. But as you see, we'll just let that one ride for the next 15 minutes until it expires. All right, so here we have our wins for the day. If you look here, we have plenty of wins for the day. All right, and that's any status, so I'm not just showing you winning trades, I'm showing you any trade. They just all happen to win. All right, back over here. Once this falls down in the profit, we'll go ahead and end the video, and you guys can go ahead and comment any questions or anything that you might want answered, or anything you are interested in knowing about that was done in this video. Just leave a comment below. All right, so we're getting ready to cross over into profit, and in the next few minutes, again, this trade has about 10 more minutes before it comes to a complete close. Oh, excuse me. All right, there we go. It looks like it crossed over for us finally. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got 8 more minutes on this particular trade. Again, if you have any questions about anything that I've discussed here on this trading account during this video, please feel free to send me a message, email me. I have answers if you have questions. Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed the video. Happy trading.